Hi, I'm Andrew with ecochateas, and we're here today to demonstrate how using quality loose leaf tea to make iced tea can bring your iced tea experience to a whole new level. I brewed up some heavy roast tea here that I'm going to pour over a tumbler of ice. And for this heavy roast, we've found that adding just a squeeze of fresh lime and about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of honey to the mix, into the tumbler of ice, tumbler cap on. One of the innovations in tea culture that has happened in Taiwan, it happened about 30 years ago, is using a tumbler to shake up tea. It's made Taiwan famous around the world. Probably the most well-known thing about Taiwanese tea is the palmoita, or the bubble tea. So I've shaken up about 400 milliliters of tea in a 550 cc tumbler. I'm going to pour that over a glass half full of ice, a pint glass. Voila, freshly brewed iced tea. Delicious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends so that everybody can enjoy iced tea the way that we like to make it. See you next time.